Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Happy new month. I will be making an analysis for the pound USD for Monday the 3rd of June 2024. Starting over on the monthly time frame. So we can see here that May's monthly candle closed with this bullish candle, but this candle did not break above this level still. So for me, I have been biased on the sell side for quite some time now, and I think that is still some good indication that, we're still reacting at the 61.8 fib retracement level, and I think that we will still be pushing down depending on how the month of June closes. But the fact that this bullish candle here did not break above, I'm still pretty confident. Okay, so going over to the weekly time frame. We can see that now we had this little range. This was the impulsive move, and I can see this was a retracement. And still, when I take my fib retracement level, I can see that this move over here still reacted at the 78.6, and also it did not break this trend line that we had over here. So to me, this is also some good indication. It closed with this indecisive candle over here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this to me, this is looking pretty good. It's still confirming that these sells might be looking good depending on how this week plays out. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. If there's a nice candle that closed bearish here, if I was a swing trader, this would definitely be a move that I would be looking at. So going over to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we can sort of see it more clearly now. We can see the retracement, and now at the same 78.1% fib, we did have this candle. This almost looks like a pin bar followed by this bearish candle with some strong volume. And yeah, the daily candle from Friday also didn't close above the 78.1 fib retracement. So this is still looking good. Yeah, if I was a swing trader again, I would also be looking for something like this. But because I am an intraday trader, I like to scale in to the lower time frames just to see if I can get more trades in a day. Okay, so going over to the daily 4-hour time frame. Sorry guys. 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now we can see something that's happening over here. We can see that we are making higher highs. We did make a higher high over here, almost a double bottom, but then this little high here didn't have enough pressure to continue pushing upwards. Now, I don't know about you guys, so I need you to tell me about this, but I can see a pattern here. Let me look for, where is this tool? Where is this tool? I can see a pattern here, but I don't know if it's just me. I think I can see a head and shoulders. I can see that we have this level here. Then now we made this higher point over here, and then we went down again, and then we had this level here that closed at the same area as this one. And then, I don't know, I'm thinking like this might be a nice setup for our head and shoulders if it continues, if we get some more bearish candles from over here, because we do have like a double top, but I don't know, guys. You let me know what you think in the comments, what you think. But if this is a head and shoulder, then this is definitely a good sign again to for me to continue taking those sells, because this is one of my favorite patterns. And if it does play out, then I'd be really hopeful. I'd be really excited. So maybe if I told this head and shoulder was to play out, this is the sort of entry that I would be targeting. I would honestly like this price to break this trend line, but if I'm feeling risky on Monday, then maybe I might wait for a double top. Maybe I'll show you in the 1-hour time frame. But a good entry for our head and shoulders is to probably wait for this level to be broken. Is this the neckline? Was it the shoulder? I forgot what it's called. Please let me know it in the comments. But I think waiting for an entry like this and a pullback and then get those sells would probably be the most fitting or best entry, I guess. But because I can't wait for that long and I'm an intraday trader, I like to scale down to the lower time frames. So let me just go to the 1-hour time frame. But let me know, guys. Let me know if it's just me who sees the head and shoulder. So if I was going over on Monday on the 1-hour time frame, an entry that I would like to look at, because I'm still biased on the sell side, I would like to see either a double top again. Yeah, maybe at this level here, or even here is still fine. Maybe a double top from there or here. But basically now to get those sells to now push down. However, this is not an entry that I'm really too keen about, because we're still above the trend line. This is a lesson that I learned the hard way, because a long time ago I used to still trade when price is still above the trend line. But because I'm looking for sells, I would honestly like for this trend line to break and then maybe get a retracement and then head down. But if I am feeling a bit risky on Monday and I see something that I like, then I probably might enter, but it's not going to be my best type of entry. So yeah, let me just say that I'd be keen on this, and hopefully this shows up, because I've really been waiting for those sales for a long time now. Okay, so now we can go look over to the DXY, which is the dollar index. Okay, so let me start maybe on the daily time frame, because I think that here we might see it much better. I still think that the dollar is still pushing up. We can see that this level here, which is also a fib retracement level from down here, yeah, we had reaction at the 50% fib. I still think that because we didn't break above and we do have some little wicks over here, I think there is potential to, push up still. Maybe just going down to the 4-hour time frame just to see it slightly more clearly. So yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we had a double bottom. This is almost like a pin bar as well, but it does have a somehow long wick followed by a bullish candle. So yeah, I do think that the dollar might continue pushing up, which will therefore confirm the sales that I'm looking for on the pound. So yeah, I mean, I hope you've understood what I'm looking at here. Going over to the calendar just to see what's happening. Monday at 4:45 East African time, we have some USD news at 5. Okay, so we have news at around 4:15 and 5, so 15 minutes. So I'll definitely be on the lookout for that. And on Tuesday, we have some news at 5 p.m. USD as well. Wednesday, 3:15 East African time, because I'm based in Kenya. We have non-farm employment change at 5 p.m. as well. Okay, so I guess I'll just be updating depending on the videos that I'll post next week. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for everybody who leaves the comments and discusses with me. I really learn a lot from you. And for the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and support the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully this should be through your help. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video that I post. Bye-bye.